So this study found pre-surgery limitations. 65% of patients reported their shoulder problem negatively impacted the quality of life or frequency of sexual activity before surgery. That's a lot. So if your shoulder is not functioning well, you probably are going to, you're going to avoid sex. And then if you're doing that, that is going to have some kind of consequence in your life. And, maybe that's something that affects people differently. And I'm sure it does. Post-surgery improvements after rotator cuff repair, 79% found it easier to engage in sex, with 35% specifically attributing improvement in pain relief. Obviously, they mean their shoulder. And that way, by 6 weeks post-op, 72% had resumed sexual activity. So 72%, almost 3/4, had resumed. So this was basically a study that the surgeons were surveying patients. So they asked them, what are you already doing? Are you having sex or you're not having sex? And those numbers, sometimes they are variable, but if it's more than 50-50, they do statistics and they show the
have rotator cuff surgery and you'll have more sex.
Well, if you are not having sex because your shoulder hurts, have sex and it will get better.
have surgery.
But if you're having bad sex before, it may not have anything to do with your shoulder, but it might have something to do with your shoulder.
This isn't talking about the quality of
Get
sex.
shoulder surgery and have better sex. That's what it's showing. That's what I get. That's my conclusion. So, and then, these are multiple studies here, and these are significant studies. So look what we just learned right now. I had an idea.
What do you think about?
And I found it right here.
AI in terms of future uses in your type of surgery?
Dude, the thing is, it's such a powerful tool, but right now it's a tool that is interacted with, that if you don't interact with, it doesn't help you at all. It's like a hammer. If you're a carpenter and you can't find your hammer, and you have a bunch of nails to nail, you can find a different way to put the nails in. So you can say, I can't find my hammer, so I'm just going to not put any nails in. It's not going to work. That's just a tool. So it's a conduit for whatever you want it to be. What's on the internet is not infinite. It's actually quantifiable in terms of data, because the internet is a connection of servers that have data storage. And all data that is sent back and forth on the internet is basically code. It's computer code.